Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are thinking of buying a Toyota Venza, hold on a minute. You might want to watch this video first. So today we are comparing the Toyota Venza with the Honda Crosstour. You see, these are the two popular crossover SUVs in Nigeria. So we will break down everything you need to know from Nigerian perspective. I hope you are getting me now. So let's dive in. In Nigeria, both the Toyota Venza and Honda Crosstour are so loved by many. You see, they are stylish, spacious and reliable. But which one is better for our roads, our fuel economy and our lifestyle? So let's find out. First, let's talk about looks. The Toyota Venza has a sleek and modern design. You know, it looks like a luxury SUV with smooth curves and a bold front grille. Are you getting me? Hope you are getting me now. The Honda Crosstour, on the other hand, has a unique fastback shape. Some people love it, others don't. You know, it depends on your own taste. It looks sporty, but not everyone likes the sloping rear. In Nigeria, many people prefer the Venza's classic SUV look, but if you want something different, the Crosstour stands out. Inside, you know, I mean the interior, both cars offer comfort. The Venza has a clean dashboard, soft seats and good legroom. It feels premium, you know. And on the other hand, the Crosstour also has a nice interior, but it's more basic. The seats are firm and the dashboard is simple. If you want luxury, go for the Venza. If you want practicality, the Crosstour is fine. Hope you are getting me now. So space matters, especially for Nigerian families. The Venza has more cargo space and better rear legroom. You can fit more bags, groceries or even jerry cans. The Crosstour has less boot space because of its sloping back, you know. So if you travel often or carry a lot, in this aspect the Venza wins. Hope you are getting me now. So now let's talk about the power. The Venza comes with a 2.7 liter or 3.5 liter engine. It's smooth and quiet. The Crosstour also has a 2.4 liter or 3.5 liter engine. It's powerful and responsive at the same time, you know. So on Nigerian roads, both perform well, but the Crosstour feels sportier. If you like speed and quick response, Crosstour is great. If you want a calm and smooth ride, Venza is better, you know. Fuel is expensive in Nigeria, so fuel economy is important in this aspect. The Crosstour gives you around 25 miles per gallon. The Venza gives you about 23 miles per gallon. So that means the Crosstour saves you more fuel over time. If you drive a lot, this matters, so put this at the back of your mind. So let's talk about the maintenance. You know, in Nigeria, Toyota parts are everywhere. Mechanics know Toyota very well. The Venza is easy to fix and parts are affordable. The Crosstour is less common. Parts are available but sometimes more expensive, and not every mechanic understands it. Not every mechanic understands the Honda Crosstour. So if you want peace of mind, Toyota Venza is better, is safer in this aspect. What if you want to sell the car later? You know, in Nigeria as of today, Toyota has better resale value in Nigeria because people trust Toyota. The Venza sells faster and for more money. The Crosstour is harder to sell. So if you are thinking long term, Venza is the better investment from my own perspective. Although no car is perfect, the Venza sometimes has issues with suspension and dashboard cracking. The Crosstour may have transmission problems if not maintained well, you know. Always check the car history before buying and do a proper inspection, So let's talk money now. A Nigerian used Venza costs between 6 to 9 million naira. A Crosstour costs between 5 to 8 million naira. So Crosstour is slightly cheaper. But remember, cheaper doesn't always mean better. Think about fuel, maintenance, and resale. Hope you are getting me now. That's if you are thinking in the long term. So on Nigerian roads, both cars handle well. The Venza is smooth on bad roads. It absorbs bumps nicely. The Crosstour is lower, so it may scrape on potholes. If you live in an area with rough roads, Venza is safer. If your roads are smooth, Crosstour is fine. Both cars have good features. The Venza has a touchscreen reverse camera and Bluetooth. Some models even have panoramic roofs. The Crosstour has similar features too, but fewer tech options. If you love gadgets, Venza is more advanced. So let's be real here. In Nigeria, we need cars that can handle fuel scarcity, bad roads, and long trips. The Venza fits this lifestyle better. It's reliable, easy to fix, and comfortable. The Crosstour, on the other hand, is stylish and fun, but not as practical. So in this aspect, you have to think about your daily needs. So which one should you buy? If you want style, speed, and fuel savings, go for the Honda Crosstour. If you want comfort, reliability, and resale value, then choose the Toyota Venza. Both are good cars, but for most Nigerians, the Venza is the smarter choice. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Are you Team Venza or Team Crosstour? Let us know your experience, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss future car reviews. See you in the next video.